Hey guys, Alex here with 911R. We got the GTS here and I wanted to quickly do a video showcasing the corrections that we made and also showing that everything does work on this Pantera. I went ahead and idling here, not even in motion, turned on the AC, and I'll post the picture. It was blowing 28 degrees Fahrenheit out of the vent. Opening it, press the button, and you gotta lift up, and there you go. If you remove the louvers, it's obviously going to be much easier to open, but that's part of the look. It looks good, it's stylish, and it's built well. So lifting that up, you have the engine compartment here. I'm going to go ahead and start it up, show you that there's no belt squeal. All right, so we're inside the Pantera now. You can hear there's no belt squeal. The rear opens up easily. The front opens up with this lever here. We can go ahead and show that as well. We'll make our way up there. But from the interior, I wanted to kind of go over an operations standpoint. So, you know, let's give it a little bit of power. I'm gonna go ahead and have the hazards on, and at this point, Sam will overlay showing the lights working. Lights are fully functional, the hazards, the brake lights, front headlights, all that. The horn, it's on the stock here, that works. Turn on the lights there. The motors are great. The lights pop up as they should and come down as they should, and all that. The air conditioning is super easy. You have the temperature control knob here at the top right, and then you have selection right there that you can do high speed or low speed. Courtesy lights work, the windows go up and down. This is a really cool example, especially the fact that, you know, my favorite part, being a little bit of a taller guy, you know, fitting in one of these tends to be a little bit of a challenge with that extra little, you know, drop down you have in the driver's seat. You know, fitting in it is no problem. I'm 6'1" roughly, and you can see how much headspace I had there, and you're a little bit farther back, so it allows you to sit comfortably. Okay, just to wrap it up, I wanted to show the front of the Pantera. You got super nice carpet inserts here on the front. You got the upgraded radiator there, fresh battery, and then there is the VIN right there. If you got any questions, leave a comment down below. If you want to see something specifically work on the Pantera, or if you want an additional video of some sort, please leave a comment down below. I'd be happy to post anything additional. It is a no reserve auction, so good luck bidders.